What have we done on Smiley over the last few days? We've done anti-fouling. Tell me about that.
Yeah, we've sanded the old anti-fouling off and put fresh anti-fouling on. That's 2 coats of anti-fouling, should last for another year. We've also changed the Seacocks because the Seacocks were in bad condition. Some were seized, which is no good for safety, and some were quite heavily corroded. So for security, we changed all the Seacocks. They're all brand new now, so there should be another 5 or 10 years life out of those. We had to change the system slightly because on Smiler, the skin fittings were actually moulded into the boat. And of course that isn't the modern way. The modern way is just to have them brass that are bolted into the boat. So we had to cut out the old skin fittings, and then we filled up the holes with epoxy and faired it over, and then we put new holes in for the new skin fittings and new Seacocks, and everything's been done.
Is this a normal thing to where you would change Seacocks, or is this?
Seacocks are really a consumable, and maybe every 5 or 10 years they'll need changing. Sometimes sooner, sometimes longer. The secret of looking after Seacocks is to use them, and really the more you can exercise them, which means open and shut them, the better they will last and they won't seize up. It's mostly when people leave Seacocks for months and months and months on end without touching them that they end up seizing up, and that's when they need to be changed.
Okay, so this is what I've done. So since we've had the boat for 2 years, I have not opened and closed the Seacock. So that's wrong. I should be doing that maybe once a month or so.
Once a month, you should open and close all the Seacocks just to make sure they're still working, and it helps keep them working.
Okay. Well, good to know.
Okay.
Good to know.